Greetings, this is Earthman from earthmansoil.com. God bless you this day. I hope you're doing well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it's educational and helps you as much as it's helped me throughout the years to learn about the benefits of oyster shell flour. Some of the benefits, here they are. Well, one is that like humic acid in a way, it's a natural chelator of certain nutrients, mainly nitrogen and phosphorus. It helps with the uptake of that, and that right there is a good thing. It helps improve your soil's pH, kind of like, lime. This is a better alternative to lime, and adding into your soil to control your pH. And if you got living soil, guys, your microbes will take care of the pH too. You never have to worry about pH when you have living soil. It helps increase microbe biomass. Microbes love it because it's got minerals and micronutrients in there that they also live off of. And then also, it just helps with the pH of the soil, as I said, and pH of soil is important in the beginning for your microbes in order to develop. If it's too acidic or too alkaline, your microbes won't do well in the beginning. So it's important to have this right from the beginning in your soil. It's an excellent source of calcium, and we all know that calcium is king when it comes to cell structure, root structure, stem structure, strong cell walls that are flimsy and stuff like that. It's really a good source of calcium, and calcium is good for your plant. Now, this calcium and the oyster shell flour helps aid in enzyme formation in your soil and in your plant. And so certain functions will function better when you use oyster shell flour than compared to other things for your pH. It helps with your soil structure without it becoming too compact. It helps loosen the soil up, and that's really important for root formation and for proper water drainage. You don't want to have compact soil, and this is one of the tricks that you can use to put in your soil to help combat soil compaction. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Hang in there, it's just crazy, and my prayers are out to you guys. I think you guys are awesome. Thank you for watching my videos, and if you want, check out our website, and there might be something there that might be of interest of you if you are pursuing true organic living soil for your plants to grow nutrient dense foods, because we need it. Our bodies need it, and it's just not there in the supermarkets or even in organic food, true nutrient dense food. And that's my goal for myself and my family, and I hope that's your goal for you and your family. That's it. May God bless you this day. If you like this video, push like. If you are not a subscriber, subscribe, because there's a lot of good information coming your way. And that's pretty much it. God bless you.